Sparkling wines.
Sparkling wines are wines that have faced a further fermentation to be added with carbon dioxide bubbles in a natural way. The fermentation methods are basically two: the traditional Champagne method or the Martinotti or Charmat method. The legend tells that the traditional method was created by the famous French monk Dom Pierre Pérignon in the 17th century, although it was first made in Urbino, central Italy, much earlier. In this particular method, the wine faces a secondary fermentation in the same bottle that will be used to serve it. A special mixture of yeasts and sugars, called liqueur de tirage, is added and the bottles get sealed using a metal crown cap. The bottles get skillfully rotated and tilted several times a day for a time which can last several years, after which they undergo the process of disgorging. This process provides the safe removal of the lees produced by the exhausted yeast. The free space of the bottle must be then refilled, and this procedure can be done by using the same wine for a Pas d'Oser sparkling wine, or with wine of other vintages, or adding secret house mixture called liqueur d'expédition to help regular customers to always identify the usual taste of the product. Once upon a time, the disgorgement happened on the fly, but nowadays they use a modern procedure to quickly freeze the higher part of each bottle to easily remove the lees. The Martinotti or Charmat method requires that the secondary fermentation of the wine takes place in stainless steel tanks by a strictly controlled temperature. The wines obtained through this method, unlike the traditional method sparkling wines, are extremely fresh, but they cannot be aged. In fact, it is recommended to consume within the bottling year. The Martinotti Charmat method can also be used to make wines with a lower carbon dioxide content, and even wines in which the presence of carbon dioxide is barely perceptible. Sparkling wines are not labeled marking their production year, but for the traditional method sparkling wines, the producers must always mark the year of disgorgement. When the production year is reported on the label, the wine is called a vintage wine.